Hey guys, remember that promise we made to eat those peppers? Yeah, we're doing it. Yeah. Remember last time when he ate the jalapeno and he died? Yeah. Well, I resurrected him. So we got the peppers back. So real quick, we're gonna go get some milk.
Okay.
Prepared. So we got all. Where's the pepper, Brennan? Okay, so we got all 3 peppers. Yeah. Yep. Now, for the first one. Wrong one.
No, my goodness.
Wrong one. Put that one here.
Okay.
That's the last one. We're cutting it in half because it's the darkest.
Okay.
You get this one.
Okay.
I get this one.
Alright.
So, we're doing this.
Adios.
Adios, people. See us in a couple of years. 3, 2, 1.
That ain't that bad. Oh! 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 Oh, that's bad! Oh! Oh!
Help. Do you want to show them what? Yeah. So what we're gonna show
No, do
you.
not show them that!
So what we just did was a very stupid decision. The spice is kind of gone, but it's gone. I ate this much. You want to know how much he ate?
Because you want a small one.
Yeah. So
Thank
bye bye,
goodness
Peppa.
that does not have that one more taste. Alright. Now.
Now eat these peppers. Yeah, you know it. So.
Which
Oh.
one? I'm gonna take this one.
So.
3.
Very stupid people. Remember that. Don't try this at home if you're seeing this video. Especially your 1 subscriber that you have.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
We're cooked.
Milk smells good. Tastes good. 3, 2, 1. That's not bad.
Holy. Oh! It's in my throat. Okay. What? Holy crap! Give me the milk. Give me the milk.
Give me more.
I might have spilled some.
Just a bit.
Oh, that's better. That's better. Oh, it still hurts.
Okay. So. Oh, it's on my lips. Oh,
We are really dumb people.
we are really dumb, but bye,
Do not do
subscribe,
this.
like.